I have a little song that I wrote for my chickens, inspired by this beautiful Tanisha. This is a Plymouth Hard Rock. And I sing to her in the morning. I want to sit right down and hug myself a chicken and make believe she hugs me too. I want to tell her she's so sweet, that I love her chicken feet and all the eggs from her bottom. Baby, I'll be glad I got 'em. I'm gonna smile and say I love her black and white feathers and hold her tight the way I do. I'm gonna sit right down and hug myself a chicken and make believe she hugs me too. I'm getting tired. I'm getting tired. Come on, Tanisha, up. 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 There you go. Good girl. There you go, girl. I'm gonna sit right down and hug myself a chicken and make believe she hugs me too.